Hello friends, welcome to my page. In this video, you will get to know a corner of the beauty of southern Iran. The scenes you see in this video are all related to the beautiful region of southern Iran, especially Shidor Island, known as Maru Island. It is pristine and full of natural wonders, which I have voiced on the video to provide more explanations. I hope you will stay with me until the end of the video so that you do not miss the beautiful scenes of this island. I will also be happy to support my channel by liking and subscribing.
This island is called Shidor or Maru. Shidor Island is a part of the coral and pristine islands of the Persian Gulf and the fourth international wetland of Hormozgan. This island, which is considered completely uninhabited, with an area of about 1 square kilometer, it is located between Lavan and Hondurabi islands. This place with its white sand beach and clear blue sea is completely similar to the Maldives Island. You probably wondered why this island, which is known as Iran's Maldives, has two separate names. Indeed, its original name is Shidor Island, but the natives of this area call it Maru Island, and it is also known by the same name. The reason for its name is the presence of dangerous rattlesnakes in this area, which introduces Shidor Island to everyone under the name of Snake Island, which is pronounced Maru in the local term. What kinds of entertainment are there in Iran's Maldives? One of the best choices to get peace while traveling is to choose a suitable place away from the hustle and bustle of city life. In Shidor, there is no noise of cars, chaos, traffic and giant human structures. As a result, you can experience unparalleled peace by walking on the beach sand, seeing the beautiful corals in the sea water. It is interesting to know that the small island of Maru or Shidor is the only protected coral reef in the country, which is also registered in the list of the most important coral reefs of the International Union for Conservation and Natural Resources, IUCN. Maru Island is also recognized as one of the important bird gathering areas by the International BirdLife Institute. In 2015, this island was introduced by the Secretariat of the Convention on Migratory Species located in the regional office of UNEP in Bangkok as one of the important sea turtle habitats in the Indian Ocean and Southeast Asia. Another attraction of Maru Island is the variety of aquatic animals and aquatic mammals in the waters around the island. For this reason, this coral island is under the supervision and protection of Iran's Environmental Organization and the National Organization for Conservation of Natural Resources, IUCN. Dolphins, whales and are among the aquatic mammals that live in this area. And the entertainment of this beautiful island. The fun of Maru Island starts from the very first moment of boarding the boat from Makam Port or Lavan Island, a pleasant trip among the blue waters of the Persian Gulf that will eventually bring you to a remote and spectacular island. Upon entering Maru Island, you get the feeling that you are standing in the picture frame of a survival mystery documentary and watching a corner of paradise. Note that if you go around Maru Island by boat early in the morning, you will have the opportunity to see turtles and water snakes. Tasting fresh seafood is one of the best things to do on Maru Island. Many fishermen are fishing around Maru Island in Hormozgan, and you can buy fish from them, reasonably priced fish that tastes incomparable to any other fish you've ever eaten. There is a lighthouse on Maru Island, which is one of the important attractions of the island. Tourists usually climb this lighthouse to watch a unique view of the Persian Gulf and the sky. Shidor Sea Caves in the southwest of the island are also one of the most pristine attractions of this island. Some people camp on Shidor Island and stay overnight. We do not make such a proposal. The environment of this island is so valuable and precious that we should not risk enjoying it for a few hours. If we disturb the peace of the island during the laying period of turtles, snakes or birds, the environment of this wildlife sanctuary will be greatly damaged. What is the best season to travel to Shidor Island? Tourists are generally not allowed to enter during turtle laying season. But in other seasons, we have to be careful about the effect we leave on the nature of the island. Hormozgan's summer is hot. So it is better to think about autumn and winter.
Soon in the next videos, we will see more about this beautiful island and other islands of the Persian Gulf. So please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our videos.